Hospital leaders often ask if MedCare Trust can train their doctors and staff to care for international patients. The answer is yes. Serving patients from Africa and the Middle East requires medical skill plus cultural sensitivity, clear communication, and awareness of global expectations. We provide training for doctors, nurses, and support staff on patient communication, managing expectations, cultural awareness, documentation, and follow-up. This ensures smoother journeys, stronger trust, and professional care. Partner with MedCare Trust and prepare your hospital to serve international patients confidently.